In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add backgroup color in Constant Contact. To begin, make sure you are inside Constant Contact and you have the email you want to edit opened in the editor. This is the main design workspace where you can see your email layout and make visual changes in real time. If you are not already in the editor, open your draft email so you can follow along while you update the background colors. Once your email is open in the editor, move to the left-hand panel. This is where many of the overall design settings live, separate from the individual content blocks like text or images. Look for the tab labeled Design and click it. When you select Design, you are switching from editing specific content to adjusting the overall look and feel of your email, including colors, fonts, and background settings. Inside the Design tab, find the section labeled Background. Click on Background to expand it. Expanding this section is important because it reveals the two main background options that Constant Contact uses to control the color in different areas of your email. First, focus on the outer background setting. Use the outer background color picker to change the color of the area outside the main email body. This is the space that frames your email, and it typically fills the viewer's screen around your message. Choosing an outer color that complements your branding can make your email look more polished. For best results, keep this color subtle so it does not compete with your content. Next, use the inner background color picker. This setting changes the color behind your content inside the email body itself. In other words, it affects the background that sits behind your text, images, and other blocks. A clean, readable inner background is key, so aim for strong contrast between your text color and the inner background. Light backgrounds usually work well for readability, especially for longer emails. As you make changes with either color picker, take a moment to look at the preview of your email in the editor. Small color shifts can have a big impact on how your message feels, so adjust until the outer and inner colors look balanced together. That covers everything you need to know.